Okay, let's figure this shaka-poo-poo out. Hey everyone, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be testing and reviewing the brand new Urban Decay Inked Brow Gel. Oh my Lanta, when I found out this lasts for 60 hours, I couldn't wait to test it out for you. Eyebrows are so tricky. You have to get them right and it takes forever to apply them. But when I found out this lasts for 60 hours, I was like, oh my goodness, I have got to test it out for you. So we are gonna test it, we're gonna swatch it, we're gonna review it, and I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the 48, 60 hours. Oh yes, I'm gonna sleep with these on, I'm gonna take showers with this on, and we'll see if it really lasts. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Kat and welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. I'm over 50 and I love testing and reviewing makeup and skincare products. So if you're new here, thanks so much for tuning in. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would join my family. But today we are going to do our eyebrows. And I am terrified because this product is vastly different from what I normally use. I love the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I also love the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is fantastic. And I also love the cheap stuff, the LA Girl Slim Shady Eyebrow Pen. But this may be good, it may be terrible. I don't know, we're gonna find out together. So let's read the specs on the Urban Decay 60-Hour Inked Brow Gel. The Urban Decay Inked Brow Gel is a high-tech gel that creates waterproof brows that are smudge resistant and sweat resistant for up to 60 hours. Okay, the longwear formula is flexible and allows playtime for application. It won't flake, fade, or transfer. Apply product directly onto brow hairs or skin with a cruelty-free angled brush to create your desired shape, even if you have sparse brows. Well, obviously I have sparse brows because I plucked them all out in the 90s. Admit it. You did it yourself too. So in a consumer test of over 100 women, 96% agree it gives bold brows. 89% agrees it fills in sparse brows. Well, I definitely have sparse brows. The directions are: make sure skin is clean and dry before application, using the built-in cruelty-free brush, fill in sparse areas, and sculpt existing brows. For lasting brows, avoid the brow area while cleansing the face after application. Okay, so I got the shade Brunette Betty, which is a warm brown. And I tell you, I went to Ulta to swatch these and most of the shades looked totally the same on my hand. So we're gonna open her up. Now it retails for $26. You get 0.06 ounces, so not a whole heck of a lot. But there, I don't know if you can focus on that. It is a tiny angled brush, but there is a whole heck of a lot of product on here. So I'm just gonna wipe it down. Oh my God, I'm so scared. I'm such a creature of habit. I love using my pencil and fluffing up my brows. You know what, while we're at it, hang on, Urban K. I'm just gonna take a spoolie and I'm gonna brush through my brows. Of course, I already have my foundation, concealer, blush, highlighter on. I didn't want to scare you too bad. This video is brought to you by Red Wine. Now, looking at this product, I'm super afraid because I'm afraid I'm gonna get too much on the applicator, so I'm just wiping it off and we're just gonna dive right in. Wish me luck. All right, usually I typically go in on my left eyebrow first, and I'm just gonna go slightly above using the angled tip. Oh God, I'm poking out my eye. No, I'm not. Using the angled tip. All right, yikes. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, this is so awkward. Oh my gosh. If it lasts for 60 hours, then I'm gonna have some really janked up eyebrows. Okay, all right. First off the bat, this applicator is totes strange, but it's going on. Wow. Okay. I don't know, this color looks pretty good. Oh gosh, really? Maybe I should get some more on there. I'm just gonna get a slight teensy amount right here. And I'm just gonna continue on with the natural line on my brow. Seriously, I don't wanna go in too heavy-handed. It's gonna, if this is 60 hours, it's gonna be a long weekend. Okay, all right, going in on this side. Oh, I don't think I have enough product. And I didn't even swatch it. Let's swatch it. Gosh, Catherine. Okay, so there's the product on my hand. Brunette Betty. Looks kind of splotchy. I'm getting some more product here. And I'm wiping the excess because I don't want to have like Groucho Marx eyebrows. All right, going in. You know what? I think the applicator would be better if it was slightly thinner. I don't know. What do you think? So far, it's so... I feel like I'm just painting on eyebrows. I don't know. And I like the color so far. It doesn't look too warm on my complexion. Okay. Just trying to fill in the sparse areas. And... okay. Dang, I might need more. Oh! Okay, well, that's looking actually pretty good. Wow. All right. It looks pretty natural. But you know me. I want to go bold. Go big or go home, right? I'm going to apply just a hair bit more. All right. And see if I can create some more brush strokes up through where I actually have hair on my eyebrows. Uh-huh. Okay. I'm actually really liking this shade for me. Okay, so just deepening it up just a hair. Now, interesting tip about your eyebrows. When you shape your eyebrows going out beyond your eyes, you want to go from your nose to the outer part of your eye to like there. So that's about right for me. Not bad. I am a huge believer in cleaning up the brow area in case you mess up. Typically, I take a tiny MAC brush and I go in with concealer. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the KOSAS Revealer Concealer. And I just did a review on this concealer and I absolutely love it. It has so many skin-loving ingredients, but what I do is, oh, there it is. And oh my Lanta, it is not budging. Look at that. That's when I just swatched it. But let's clean up that area. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the KOSAS Revealer Concealer and see if I can hide my stray eyebrows that are showing. And I'm just gonna take a tiny bit on my MAC brush and just carve it out and make it a little cleaner through here. And I love using this method, particularly when I don't have time to go and get my brows done every 3 to 4 weeks. I'm kind of happy with this. What do you think, guys? Pretty nice, Miss Inked Brow Gel. But I'm just going to do this. I'm going to see if it's going to smear. Definitely feels a little waxy, but there's nothing there. Okay, hang on. Do you see that? There's nothing there. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Okay, cool. Let's see. Nothing. This could be a really long weekend. But what I'm going to do next is go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, eyeshadow is on. I just went in with the NATASHA DENONA Mini LILA palette. I wanted it a little bit bolder, and I did put some glitter from the TATI's Textured Neutrals palette in Poet. But yes, we're only in for 1 hour. This is supposed to last 60 hours. So what I'm going to do is just going to hang out for the rest of the night, have a glass of wine, and you're going to wake up with me tomorrow morning, and we're going to see if these brows really do last. So I'll see you in the morning. Okay. Good morning. It is 8:37 a.m. It's been over 13 hours since I first applied the Urban Decay Brow Gel 60 hours, and I wanted you to see what it looked like in natural daylight. Now you can see it's kind of wearing off through here, but I slept in it. It stayed on. Washed my face, took a shower this morning, and it's looking a little patchy through here, but so far, I mean, my goodness, I've been sleeping, I took a shower, I washed my face, and that's what we're working with. I kind of like this so far. So far, super pleased with the results with this fabulous brow gel. This could be a total game changer for me because I hate doing my eyebrows. But anyway, I will check back with you later. Okay. And we're back. This is supposed to be the golden hour. I don't know about that, but it is 5:44 p.m. It's been, oh my gosh, 22 hours since I first applied the Urban Decay Brow Gel. And I've had a really long day already. I went grocery shopping and was on a quest for one item. Can you guess what I was trying to look for? Starts with a T. Toilet paper. Yeah, no toilet paper in my city. I literally went to 5 stores and I kind of gave up because that's just the situation we're living in right now. But I feel great. The sun is out, beautiful day. My eyebrows are still hanging in there. So here we are at the 22-hour mark. I'm gonna pour myself a glass of wine and relax, but I will definitely do a check-in with you in a few hours. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. And we are back. It is exactly 8:53 p.m. It has been literally almost 26 hours since I first applied the Urban Decay 60-hour brow gel. Now, okay, here's the thing. I applied the brow gel last night at 7 p.m. and I did another video, which was actually a collaboration with Debbie Knobloch, and I will link the video up there. It's a fantastic collaboration where we did a eyeshadow tutorial on the NATASHA DENONA Mini LILA palette. Now, 26 hours later, baby, these brows are still going strong. I mean, they're not absolutely perfect. I'll give you that. And it's not 60 hours. But I have to admit, this product, hello, is amazing. It retails for $26. It comes in 7 shades. This is for real. Now, the final result, and this is only freaking 25 hours later, I definitely was so excited about this product. I wanted to get it out and share it with you, just so you know that there are options. I mean, in case there's an apocalypse, you'll at least have eyebrows for 60 hours. I can't believe I just said that. But anyway, yes. So my final thoughts on the Urban Decay Brow Gel for $26, I highly recommend it. I love the shade that I got. I love the fact that it did not wash off, and I think it's still going strong. So I would highly recommend this to you in case you're just lazy about doing your brows and you just want to put them on once and at least for 2 days, you are good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this review of the Urban Decay Brow Gel 60-hour formula. And in case you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would join my family. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos up here. But for now, mahal kita. I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.